Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. This is my last 2 days of class. Hello. I'm currently getting ready for a full day of college classes. Check this out. My current obsession lately has been the gloss that I just put on my lips. Look at this. Plumping, hydrating, gorgeous, beautiful pink color. This is Patrick Ta's best-selling Plumping lip gloss. It just came out with 5 new shades. Let me show them to you. The shade that I'm wearing right now is called Say Less, and it is gorge.com. This is her packaging. Very nice, very chic. I have found that the many times that I've spent an arm and a leg to find a good plumping lip gloss, it either only lasts for 5 seconds when you feel the intense burn, and then it just goes away and it doesn't even do anything. This plumping gloss has major volume unlike any other that I've used before. Let me introduce you to the other 4 shades. From lighter to dark, we've got Need Her, obviously, Mine, and last but not least, Want Her. My favorite is Say Less, but that's just because I always gravitate towards lighter colors on my lips. This doesn't dry out my lips. I'm gonna put on the shade Need Her so you guys can see the color difference. This one's like a pretty mauve pink. I love this one. If you want the shiniest lips all summer long, click the link down below and shop Patrick Ta today. Let's blow out the hair and go to class. So I really only have 3 days of school left as a sophomore in college, and it's kind of sad. Don't know how to feel about it. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and we're gonna prep, study, and take these stinking final exams. It's gonna be such a relief getting it off my back and being done with it, but we got a lot to do. Don't be fooled. Ciao. 10:30 to 11:45, I have microeconomics, which is where I'm going right now. And then tonight from 6 to 8:45, I have my biz statistics class. So we got a big chunk in the day. I made fajitas yesterday. Gonna be eating those for lunch. And does anybody else get so excited over food? Because I can change my mood like this if someone tells me that there's food involved. How I'm feeling about the end of the semester. Honestly, it's really weird how quickly time goes as you get older. Even though I'm really glad that the semester is over and I can be done with microeconomics, for example, it's just a very bittersweet feeling because I feel like I've made such great friendships within these classes, and if it weren't for being in these classes this semester, parts of my life would look very different. Ready to gear up and do my summer classes. I'm taking 2 classes this summer. They're gonna be really low maintenance, nothing crazy, but I just don't think it hit me how quickly time has gone by until I saw in my planner that tomorrow, Wednesday, is my last day of classes. Absolutely crazy. Spring has fully sprung here in Boise, and my heart could not be more happier. But I think the worst thing is when it's not snowing, but it's like gross brown sludge outside and all the trees look like just twigs, no leaves on it. Oh my gosh, I take Matcha on 2 walks per day. Not only for him, but for me, because I just love seeing all of the trees, all of the tulips. A lot of people probably poo-poo on Idaho, but unless you come here, y'all, you just gotta trust me. This is the best place to go to college. Just saying. Not seeing any parking spots. Somebody texted me yesterday lyrics to JoJo Siwa's song Karma. I could not stop laughing for like an hour because I'm so sorry, but the song is so... You know what? Let's play ad-libs. I'll let you guys fill that one in. That did not sound good. All right, just got to campus. Let's walk 15 minutes to the business building. Mwah.
So I want to tell you that because the costs will be on our final exam. If you are stressed during the exam, just close your eyes, take some deep breaths. Thank you for a great semester. I really enjoyed this class with this group of students. In the future, if you need anything and if you think I can help you, I'm always ready to help. Good luck with the final exam.
You guys, I just had the sweetest interaction with 2 fans on campus. First one was this girl. I was leaving the business building, walking obviously back to the parking garage, and it's about like a 15-minute walk. I remember seeing her when we were passing each other, and then like 4 minutes later, I just hear someone like running behind me, and she's like, "Excuse me, are you Caroline Manning?" And she's so sweet, absolutely gorgeous too. If you're watching this, hello. And then the second person was actually a boy, and it was when I was crossing the crosswalk. His name was Ethan. I remember his name. And he was just like, "Can I take a picture with you?" What a great day. Also, My teacher's little farewell speech made me really emotional. I'm gonna miss him so much, even though I wasn't that good at microeconomics. Matcha has this new toy. Whenever we go to sleep, he sleeps with it in his mouth. I'm like, how is this comfortable? This sauce I've been obsessed with. I got it at the farmer's market and it's called the Sunshine Sauce Co. Okay, so I made this mint chocolate chip protein little dessert. Let's see if it's any good. Also, I'm watching Modern Family.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
It's a secret recipe.
Back on campus, what is new? It's time for my evening class. This is my last biz stat class, like I mentioned earlier. I'm kind of sad. I'm not gonna miss walking to this class late at night. Waiting for my friend, we're gonna walk together from the parking lot. I got my mail on the way out. After Coachella, I kind of went down this rabbit hole of discovering new artists, and I even discovered a band that I loved so much instantly that I bought concert tickets because they're coming to Boise. We love music over here. Package is from Kosas. Thank you. Ooh, we've got a lot of goodies in here. My current beauty blender is absolutely disgusting right now. I love this concealer. I actually use this concealer right now. It's like a staple in my makeup routine. Next package is from Scentbird. They totally changed their packaging. So this is the inside of what it looks like. This one's the Dolce & Gabbana. And then it's like a travel size perfume. How stinking cute. Also, that car has dices in their dash thing. Hopefully this doesn't rattle anybody, but if you have a dice hanging off of your dash thing, I don't know. I brought my friend a bag of these Quest chili lime protein chips. She absolutely loves these, and since it's our last class, I figured, you know what, we're gonna give her a little surprise. It'll probably before, like, I'm back at home and I had one of my overnight oats. Hello, Matcha. I prepped a bunch of them earlier in the week, and so they're like the yummiest, tastiest dessert. Because I always get hungry after my biz stat class. I can't help it. The class gets out at 8:45. Sue me. We're gonna get ready for the night. I'm brushing my teeth right now, and then I need to like wash my face. So I'm gonna walk y'all through my little night routine. Favorite mouthwash is this brand. I just do a capful. I got this little bunny ear headband from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. I forget which one of the two. It has to be like my favorite thing ever. So stinking cute. And I saw one that had Winnie the Pooh, so I might have to go back and get that. Who knows? I'm gonna use micellar water to take off my makeup. This brand is really good. It's a French skincare brand called Typology. I've mentioned them on my channel before, but it only has 7 ingredients, which is like unheard of because a lot of makeup removers have just like crazy things in them. Today was such a good day, although I'm a little stressed out because tomorrow I have 2 more classes, and then like I said, I'm done with school classes, but then I have exams. Tomorrow I have accounting, and then I have BizCom right after. But I think I'm gonna go to a coffee shop in between. For cleanser, I'm gonna use my Superfood Kale and Green Tea Spinach Cleanser. I think taking off my makeup and getting ready for bed just has to be like the best part of my day. I genuinely don't know how people don't cleanse their face or let alone moisturize it. Pro tip, double cleanse your face. You'll get everything off. I think I just made a mess. Current serum and moisturizer combo. We've got the Typology Vitamin C Serum. 1 full drop. Put it all on my face. Oh, also, I got my nails done, but I don't think I showed that in a video on my YouTube, but I did vlog it on my TikTok. I did a stone gray clay color, and then for moisturizer, I'm using the Astura Auto Barrier 365 cream. This stuff is like the #1 dermatologist recommended brand in Korea, South Korea to be precise, and it has these little capsules, like micro capsules, that I just love on my skin. I feel like it moisturizes it and gets all of the dryness away. Let's pop in these retainers and read my book in bed. I'm also gonna do some journaling in bed as well. I'm almost at the end of my green journal that I've had for so long. Also, pardon my lisp. I always have one when I put in these retainers, but I think this is the Leuchtturm journal, I want to say. It's like the only journal brand that I love and adore and will recommend. I'm gonna be so real, I've never finished a journal before. I'll stop midway in one journal and then start a new one, or I don't know, forget about it and just don't do it. This is how much I have left. Like, all of this has writing in it, which is insane because I'm notorious for not finishing journals. This is the current book that I'm reading. It's called We Were the Lucky Ones. Talked about the Hulu show that they made of this. Absolutely would recommend to anybody who either is looking for a new show to watch, or if you're interested in World War II and more about the Holocaust. I always dreaded having assigned books throughout middle school, high school, whatnot, but the one genre that I always had my full attention in and really enjoyed reading was books about the Holocaust. Like, I remember when we read Anne Frank, that was the first book that I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that our school made us read this. This is how much I'm into it. I'm trying to finish this before I finish the show because I'm kind of like keeping up with it simultaneously, and it's interesting seeing like what they added in the show and what they didn't add because it's all based on a true story. Enough of me rambling. I'm gonna go put on some lip balm and then let's read in bed. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. The room is like, oh, whoa, okay, that's crazy. He said, let me make this about me. The room is already illuminated with light. It's beautiful and sunny. And we have another day of classes. I slept in late today because this little one, I heard him yakking in the middle of the night. Like, right next to me, I hear him like about to throw up. So I grab him and I put him on the ground. Probably all that goose poop that you've been eating, you little weirdo. 8 o'clock now. This is like the latest that I ever sleep, and I have accounting at 10:30, and then I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and do some work on some study guides for my other classes, and then I have BizCom, and then I'm done. Like, done. Ew, Machi, your breath stinks, honey. Let's go make some breakfast. Your girl is so hungry right now. Walking to accounting class right now. Another beautiful day.
It's a side job.
Side hustle.
A side hustle.
Hey! No, Caroline. Sorry, Caroline first, then Vic.
Oh, okay. Have you ever wanted to elevate the marketing for your company? Your marketing was great because clearly it drew me to you. Don't you want to make it fabulous? Hi, my name is Caroline Manning. I've had experience not only behind but in front of a camera for 5 years in the social media industry, and I can give you an outside experience unlike any other. This has been a huge part of my life, but I find fulfillment by prioritizing school, my education. When I set my mind to something, I commit to it because I value when I give my word to someone. After living and studying on a boat for a semester with 600 other students around the world, I've learned interpersonal skills that are invaluable. I promise you that I will be the best marketing asset for you if I've learned to market myself since 14. Again, my name is Caroline Manning, and let's meet for coffee next week at noon. I got out of class, and now I'm putting some gas in my car. Just got to my Pilates class. I convinced my friend McKenna to take Pilates for the first time, so I came a little bit early. That way we can go over some things on the reformer machine. But I literally have been addicted to Pilates. I do it like 2 times a week, spacing it out in between my other workouts. I think it is one of the best workouts as summer comes up.
Down here, we have your black table.
Overwhelmed by the unknown, was the world made for my soul? Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.